Hey guys, it's Addie, and I'm in my bathroom right now because I'm packing for California. We're leaving tomorrow in the morning, and I'm going to be vlogging, hopefully. And I'm packing my carry-on right now. This is my suitcase. I'm wearing a purple shirt with soft gray shorts for the trip. For the plane ride, I mean. And then this is a little tassel I made so I can pick the bag up quicker. And yeah, so I made this list of the stuff that's going in my carry-on. This is basically all the stuff. It's not that much, but and then there's my backpack, which is a Vera Bradley that I got from TJ Maxx. And so, I want to bring my DS, but the case is kind of like big and bulky, so I'm going to see after I put all the stuff in if it fits in there, like without it being cramped, because I don't want it to be cramped. So yeah, I also have this like little battery pack that has like gold on it. Anyways, yeah, so that's the stuff. And there's actually, like, in this case, in this backpack, there's like a pocket for it, and you can like put it through that hole and then like charge your phone in here, because the hole goes through. Anyways, I'm gonna try. You know what, I'm just gonna have to do this with one hand, or I'll just stop the video and then, okay, we're back. Packing the carry-on, trying to look for a good angle. That's fine enough, I guess. So, putting the battery pack and the cord in my backpack first. I actually don't know, like, where the certain things are gonna go, but we're gonna figure it out. I think I'm gonna put my notebooks in this pocket. So I have this journal that I'm keeping in California. I did one today, like, about packing and stuff, like my schedule for the week, and then my sketchbook, because I can't live without it. Anyways, we're gonna put those in here. Yep, that's good. What else can I put in here? Okay, I think I'm gonna put like the tiny things in the front pocket. So we're gonna put like these eye masks. I brought two because one's like soft and one's like a silky one, so it depends on what the plane is like, if it's like hot or cold, but yeah. I also was like looking at a bunch of videos like what to pack in your carry-on and stuff, and they said to bring like socks because it's like usually cold in the airplane and you can just like take your shoes off and put on socks. Obviously, like, not to walk up and down the aisle, but like just when you're like sitting there, you know. So I might take this stuff out because it's like making this front pocket like really bulky, and I don't like it. Okay, so I have this card with washi tape on it because I love washi tape. Like, I have a whole box of it, if you don't know. So that's going in there. Also, we're gonna see what happens with these putties. They're only 0.47 ounces. And I don't know how many ounces you can bring on planes, but we're gonna see. Okay, there's this really cool fidget cube that my brother got me from Brookstone, and it can go into like a solid cube, but then you could just like spin this part, or you could hold it by those parts and spin the big this part. It's really cool. Anyways, I brought those. And then we're also going to put my wallet in there for snacks and stuff. I brought my wallet. And I have this, like, this is like the best pencil sharpener I've ever had. It came with this colored pencil set, but it's like the best one I've ever had in my life. Also, I made these tassels for people that I'm seeing in California, so putting those in there. We're gonna zip that pocket up. I don't like that clunky sound. Okay, let's just do that. Anyways, okay, those two pockets are good. So we have notebooks and little stuff. Next, we're gonna pack the huge pocket. So I have my iPad, but it's charging, but I'm still gonna take that. And I'm filming with my phone right now, so yeah. So there's this little pocket I'm gonna put my camera in. I would film with this camera, but it's waterproof and the audio isn't that good since it's been in water and stuff. So that's going in there. We'll put the Kindle in this pocket. This is a bag full of my tech stuff. So yeah. That's gonna go in with the Kindle. Okay, I have this pencil bag full of like my art markers and stuff. So yeah. I also forgot to put one thing in my like little, this is a, I think they're called tangles, but they're really fun. And they could just like squish up like that. So, okay. Actually might just like decide on bringing one of these putties. I'm gonna look up how many ounces you can bring on planes. Put that little tangle in there. And then we're gonna put these tassels in with the books. Okay, then we have headphones. Obviously, headphones are pretty obvious. I mean, they're headphones. They might go in this, nope, okay. They're going in this way. Okay, then we have these, which I have this like very back pocket that's like just for computers, but I'm not bringing my computer, so I'm just gonna put these in here. Actually, I'm gonna unravel my socks so they're not like make a big bump in my bag. And just put them flat in here. That looks pretty good. Also, I made this tassel for my bag. So if I lose it, I'm going to bring a empty bottle to fill up at the airport. Since you can't put liquids through security, then I'm gonna fill it up after. So, yeah, that's good. And I will be filming in the morning, hopefully, to like see what like I'm wearing and like how I do my hair. I'm gonna look these up. I'm gonna come back and tell you what I found. Okay, so I found out that you can bring 3.4 ounces, and together these are like only like at max 2 ounces, so I can go ahead and put these in there. So we're gonna reorganize the front pocket. Okay, so we have my wallet. I actually might need to put in a better spot that I can just like grab it out. Anyways, the washi tape will go with the pencil sharpener. Okay, and then the putties will just go in there. I don't know if you can actually film at airports, but I'm gonna try maybe like do a like really like maybe just like put it in the pocket, like my phone, or in my pocket to just like show you on the airport. And I'm flying Dallas to San Diego, so yeah. Also, I'm gonna show you this cool thing that my carry-on has. Oh yeah, also, so I have this I Heart New York luggage tag, this Japanese bear, and this zebra print luggage tag. So if you have this rolling suitcase, what you can do with the backpack, it has this strap. You can, hold on, we need to put this right here. Then I'll show you. Okay, that. See, because it like straps through this thing. You can put it back down and the backpack just comes off. Oh, and also I'm bringing my American Girl doll in my suitcase. Because I don't want to like go through the whole like bringing your doll like with you on the plane. And while I was at TJ Maxx, I bought this Adventure Awaits neck pillow that you can strap on to your suitcase. Your carry-on. Or you could strap it to your suitcase, but I don't know why you would do that. And then it could just be like that. Yep. That's pretty much it for my carry-on tour. I will see you in California tomorrow.